Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna do to my vlogs as short. Whoever likes and subscribe, I'll draw I'll write their meanings of their names like this. Like example, Bascon, liar, angel, lazy, nice, grand, and gentle. But of course, I'm gonna do their names as my subscribers and the ones who likes and subscribe. Comment down below because I'll be looking if you subscribe. Okay? Always keep in mind I only have 3 hours to use my phone. And I have lots of book there anyways where there's the Salamin. But because pretend there's 4 books here. Each one stacked. Then I need to get 2. I need to get 2. I need to get 2 of them. 2 of each one. So I have lots there. Super lots. And I don't even sagutan them. Like, I'm just gonna put it at the back anyways. Or if there's no space, I can put it at the front. So, yeah. This is what it looks like. I know it's baliktad.
Wow. Wow.
So that's all for today. Bye. Like and subscribe, comment. So, because I might put your names. I always look at the comment section. And be part of my vlog, of course. Bye!